Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Ankita Khushi Art. It's Ankita here. Finally, I completed this art challenge series. Today is the last day, so I'm super excited to finish this painting together, and with that, let's begin with the day of 30 May. The day my birthday, I started this challenge for a whole month. So I painted all 30 paintings in this challenge. But I thought I should include one more. So I'm including one more painting today. My whole month was very exciting and full of fun. Every day challenging yourself and paint new ideas was lots of fun. I really enjoyed this challenge. If you have been part of the challenge and following along the videos so far, I really hope that you have been enjoying them. While painting, I learned many things. Well, whole month was little bit hectic because of editing and all, but when I look my work, my all stress was released and I feel fresh and motivated for next day. Seriously, that was lots of fun. I know you also enjoyed. In the end of this video, I will show all my work I made in this challenge. And just in case you have missed any video, you can catch up with all the links in the description. In this challenge, I use some of the reference and some of my photography image and also my own imagination. Seriously, every day making one painting and motivate myself, really it was very different experience and lots of fun. And many more challenge will be coming soon, and I know you will love that also. Whatever I experience in my life, I try to paint on my canvas. In my all painting, I try to give my personal touch. I am very happy to see my whole work together. In this challenge, I used oil color for my all painting, but soon I will work with acrylic color and more medium. For watching more videos, like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow on Instagram, and also subscribe my craft channel Craft Queen Khushi. Link is in description. Till then, bye bye.